Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to start creating tests for the context CRUD operations. So in the previous video we completed the category testing in our context manager application that we created in Laravel, Inertia, Vue.js and tialwind CSS. And in this video we are going to start creating tests for our context CRUD. So I'm going to go ahead and make another test with the file name will be contact tests. Is that plural? No, singular. So contact test, and I'm gonna hit enter. Now it's created, so I'm gonna go to that, and contact test is right here. And in the contact test we are going to test the functionality of the contact page. So if I come to the application, the node and Laravel server are up and running, so we can access the application from here. I'm gonna log into the application, and this is the contact page. So here first we are gonna make sure that we can access this page, and before I do anything else, let's just go ahead and create one category so that we will be able to create a contact as well. So I'm gonna go to dashboard, and I can click on this and it's gonna show this page. So first thing first, we need to log in a user, and after that we are gonna make sure that we can access this page once we log in. So I'm gonna as for the login, we already created tests. You can see we can log in via like typing the field's names, or we can create a user and then log in with that user. So just like you can see here, we can copy and paste the same thing to this one. I'm gonna paste that, or also what we can do is let's import the user model. Let's say $user equals to user, and then I'm going to pass this to the inner methods. So using the $user, and this is obviously the instance of the user model. And here I'm gonna go ahead and post login, so we can use login as, and then using the user object. If I check here, um, in most cases we like did it this way, but we can pass the user from here as well. So let's try this way, and if this did not work, then we will use the id of this variable user to the user model, just like you can see here, and then we will try that as well. So once you log in, then log in as that user, or then go to the dashboard page, which is the main page where the contacts will be listed. So once you go there, then you can assert that you can you are able to see, let's say, the create contact option in the view. So if I inspect this, um, I'm gonna just assert that, or we can also make sure that like the path is this. So let's use that. Assert path is the slash dashboard. So obviously if you go to slash dashboard, the path is definitely slash dashboard, but that is um, protected by the middleware, the auth middleware. So we should be logged in, right? And also I think we can skip the existing ones test as well. Like if I come here, you can see we have passed the group, so I'm gonna pass the same group to the this test. So paste that here, and now what we are gonna do is we are gonna exclude those. So PHP artisan Dusk is gonna run all the tests, and then we have exclude test. If I come to documentation, so if I search for the exclude, in the documentation they have dash dash group, but we are going to exclude the group. So if I type dash dash exclude dash group, and then let's say you want to skip the skip group, and now if I hit enter, tag I think that is dash dash. Okay, so I think that is testing the test. So now we got one assertion, the test is passing, example test. let's see what we call this. Here, not here, here in the contact test, this test is test user can see the contacts dashboard page, and that is obviously passing here. So now the next test that we are going to create is to see if we are able to like click on the create contact button. So user can click on create contact page. We can also create test like user can access the create contact page, but we can do that from the URL as well, and also we can do that from by clicking on that button that is available right here on this page. You can see this button, so we are going to click this, and the way we can do that, let's see if this is uniquely identified by any ID or something. So we have only text. I think we can make that work as well by using the click link method available in Dusk. So create contact button or link, that is link, right? So remove that. Now here login is that user, and then go to the dashboard, and after that also we can we don't have to wait for anything, right? So then uh, click link, and inside we will pass the string link text, click. Let's pass the click link, passing the string that is inside this button, and that is a create contact. So if I pass this and remove the spaces, once you click on that, then you have to wait for link, wait for text, and wait for reload, wait for location, wait for link, wait for dialog, wait for missing text, wait for text. Yeah, let's see this. Like if I click on this button, it's going to show me the create this page where I can see, you can see this text. This is not available right here, right? No, it is available. Maybe we can use this one, contact name. Contact name is not here and not here as well, so we can use that. Assert, wait for this text to appear, and then you can assert that the path is slash contact slash create. So once that is the path then you can pass the test, otherwise fail it. So I'm gonna save this, and let's try that out, excluding the escape group, only running the test that we just created, that file only. Okay, so you can see, click on create link, that is test is passed. Now in the next video we are going to fill this form via test, and then like create a test that will fill this form and submit it, and see if the data you put here has been added to the database, and return on that page. Like assert that the page you got after submission of this form is this one, and after that we will create tests for the delete and edit as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.